Hello, my good people. They say wonder shall never end in Ooni's palace. You see, this Ashley that was thinking that all the evil deed she has done to Queen Naomi will not leak. Now, all the Oloris, all their evil works, have now started uh, coming out one by one, bit by bit. She was the one begging for this Iyalode title from Kabiyesi, that Kabiyesi should install her with this title of Iyalode, begging, forgetting that all their evil plan, all the Oloris, including Miriam, that one day, there will be a day all these their secret will leak out. As she was in the palace, begging Kabiyesi that Kabiyesi should forgive her, that is Ashley, that all that she has done to her, to Kabiyesi and Queen Naomi, that Kabiyesi should forgive her. There, the other Olori Tobi entered, saying that she's there coming to Kabiyesi to expose Olori Ashley, because the attack they planned against Queen Naomi the other time, that it was Ashley's making, including some elders in the palace. You see, this is what we are saying. When you are with some friends, your people, you're thinking that they are good to you. You may be giving them money, doing many things to them good. You'll be thinking that they are with you. But behind you, what all they plan against you, if you could hear what they've been planning, you will open your mouth. You see, who put it in mind that or have it in mind that the elders in the palace can plan against Kabiyesi or even Queen Naomi? You see, this is their plan to attack Naomi the other time was masterminded by Olori Ashley and the two elders in the palace. The elders that they are in position to advise Kabiyesi on what to do and what not to do, not knowing that they are behind the attack that was done to Queen Naomi the other time. Now the secret now is out, not knowing that Olori Tobi, has an informant that leaked all the whole conversation, all the whole secret about the plan of attacking Queen Naomi that time. So that is why Olori Tobi came to the palace to expose everything to Kabiyesi. Getting there, she met Queen Ashley. That is Olori Ashley, begging Kabiyesi that Kabiyesi should forgive her, so that this Iyalode title will be given to her. Now that the secrets have leaked involving two elders in the palace, Olori Tobi said the day that attack was organized and took place was the day even Ashley was the one that caused this issue, because Ashley was having issue with Queen Naomi. With annoyance, Queen Naomi started going, not knowing that Ashley had planned with the two elders, with had 4 thugs, that they should go and attack Queen Naomi on the way. After attacking Queen Naomi on the way, the thugs thought that Queen Naomi's enemy have died. That is why they leave the spot and ran away. Do you know that at the end of the day, 2 of them were caught? So they were the one now explaining. It was the conversation made by the people that Tobi had. That is why she's in the palace to leak all the whole secret to Kabiyesi. You see, don't trust people. Don't trust anybody because the person you think that is your friend could be your enemy. Upon all Kabiyesi has been doing to even the Oloris, the allowances are being paid. All the entitlements they are being given. But because of Naomi, they are all planning evil against Naomi and Ooni of Ife, which they will be planning and they've been failing. They will not succeed because Queen Naomi haven't got their time. Queen Naomi is a full-time prophetess, woman of God, doesn't think any bad to anybody, doesn't plan any evil against anyone, even including Kabiyesi. The Kabiyesi is a good man too. He's after the welfare of the whole palace, apart from the Oloris, everybody in the palace, they enjoy him. That is the Ooni of Ife. So he hasn't got any time to plan evil against anybody. That is why he and Queen Naomi, they are excelling. Whatever plan anything they plan against them, the people will not succeed. At the end of the day, they will got disappointed. My brother and sister, this is what we are saying. Allegedly, we heard from internet and social media. My brother and sister, it's good to be good. The Kabiyesi is a nice man. He is good to everybody. Even the whole of the chiefs, being the chairman of the Council of Chiefs. You see, all his activities are welcomed in any garden he goes. My brother and sisters, it's good to be good. All these Oloris, they are very wicked and jealous. They don't like Naomi. They don't want Naomi and the Kabiyesi to excel. But they are just wasting their time. All their evil plans have been leaked. Like Tobi came now, that is ready to leak the secret of how Naomi and the whole plan actually made with the two elders in the palace to attack Queen Naomi. But as God will do it, they did not succeed. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. That is good to be good. You see, all their evil plan, they failed. Ashley and co. Now, Olori Tobi is now revealing the whole secret to Kabiyesi. Although she too has her own, but the major people that are against Queen Naomi in that palace are Olori Mariam and Olori Ashley. They are the major people against the Olori. The Oloris are against Queen Naomi in that palace, of which they will not succeed. My brothers and sisters, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to say your own opinion on all these issues. Subscribe to this channel. Share, love, and like. Thanks and God bless. Amen.